Last week, none of this drywall was here, which means 209 is a busy week of getting things delivered and, more importantly, moved downstairs. Let's check it out. In the wee morning hours of Saturday, week 209 begins with the delivery of 80 12-foot sheets of drywall. My friend Michael is visiting this week, and he was kind enough to lend me a hand moving these into the basement. Because they're 12-foot sheets, we decided to take them downstairs one at a time to lighten the load. The weight of a single sheet isn't too bad with 2 people, but the length makes navigating ceilings and corners tricky. Fortunately, Michael is really good at these kinds of things, and after 5 to 10 sheets, we got into a good rhythm. Another fortunate thing is that only the first 60 sheets need to go downstairs, because the other 20 will be used to finish out the garage workshop. On Sunday, it's high time to winterize my outdoor hoses and faucets. Using an adapter, I connect my hoses and drip system to my air compressor and run several tanks through to fully clear them out. Back inside the garage, I support these garage door rails with some temporary wooden supports connected to the walls. This will allow me to hang the ceiling drywall without any metal hardware in the way. On Monday, I assembled this Obed gravel bike that has been sitting in my basement for several weeks. I have a gravel dirt bike race coming up soon, and I figured I should make sure everything works before it's race day. After an hour of work, this Obed is fully assembled and ready to go. Before calling it a night, here's how the shop looks in its current form. On Tuesday, I pick all my remaining garden produce. The forecast says it'll freeze any night, so this might be it for my 2024 garden. I'll sure miss this fresh produce, but I'm freezing all the tomatoes I can't eat now so I can at least enjoy them in soups this winter. Tonight's goal in the workshop is to hang at least one piece of ceiling drywall. I start by moving the stack to both sides of the garage and cleaning the floor. Using my drywall lift, I'm able to maneuver one of these 12-foot sheets into position by myself and crank it up to the ceiling. I only get one piece up tonight, but the rest will go quickly now that everything is prepped. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.